Sitting out here today trying to get this light I just put up adjusted. Trying to see if I can make it go off. I got a remote control that came with it. Kind of jazzy. I bought these lights. I finally got a good deal on them. They were discontinuing this particular model. And these things were $190 a piece. I got two of them for $59 with free shipping with 2 coupons. They'd let me stack 2 coupons on Amazon.com, and that saved me some money. But I'm looking at this thing running, and I'm seeing it with my naked eye, and the light is continuous. But as the camera's filming, it's showing it pulsing. I know the camera can see it because I'm looking at it through the lens. So I don't know what that's all about. It just must be the way the camera's, its speed and stuff is set. But I got the little remote. You can adjust it for 3 or 5 or 8 hour run time. And it's got the solar panel on the back. And it's collecting energy. It was fully charged when I got it. And I got the ladder out and put up there. And I've got it 20 foot off the ground. It's a good ways off the ground. And as far as my ladder would go. So maybe one day I can get somebody to come with a longer ladder and put it higher up. But I'm going to come out and see what the pattern it throws tonight on the yard here. It shows a good round pattern in the picture, so hopefully I'll get that. Sorry about my hands being shaky. It's cold as hell out here. I'm out here in my pajamas like an idiot. Well. So I thought I'd show you what I'm doing with that. I ordered these things and I got them in, and I got one of them up. The other one goes on the back of the house. That's for, it's got to go in a tower that I've still got to build on the back of the house. It sits over top of the greenhouse. That way it'll hopefully shine light down through the plastic in the greenhouse and keep that lit at night so I don't have to have any supplemental lighting. And if I have to, I'll buy a few more to go in the rafters of the greenhouse itself and set them up so I can have light. Because right now, these solar lights are really dirt cheap. People got stuff in stock and they need money and they're getting hard up. And it's been a year since this pandemic started and prices are really dropping on a lot of things. And other things are going sky high. So you just got to search around and find out what you can. So basically stuff for greenhouse building right now is getting dirt cheap, and all these small little doodads that people don't really need, and non-necessity items, the prices are really dropping on them. And I'm trying to take advantage of that whenever I can get a hold of some little money. So I thought I'd talk to y'all and tell you I'm still kicking, trying to keep myself occupied. So I hope you like this video. And if you do, smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I've got 100 subscribers right now so far. I broke 100 the other day. A couple people joined up, so I need 900 more to get to 1,000 in order to get my channel monetized so I can start making some money. And I'll start doing I'll have some money. I can do more interesting things and get more work done and have more frequent videos. So if you like what you see, I know it's not much to this video here, but this is just one of the things that happens on a farm. You have little small jobs all the time that has to be done to keep your place ready. So I hope you all have a really good evening, and I will talk to you later. Bye.